Intuitive guidance. Well, what the heck is that? If you're looking for guidance, considering a life path, no matter your age, you may want to consider listening to your intuition. It may already be sending you a message, giving you an idea of where you should go, what you should do. You may be asking yourself, where should I go? What should I do? I wonder sometimes, is this a wise choice for me? If my intuition is leading me in a certain direction, how do I know if that's right? Can I trust my intuition? Have I spent enough time listening to it so I know its voice? Do I know whether this idea or that idea is right or wrong? Well, all I have to do is look at past life experiences, and that will tell me anytime that I've listened to my intuition and made a life choice, was it successful? And that gives me an idea of how often, how and when I've listened to my intuition, where it's led me in the right direction. Intuition will often speak to us through a consistent desire, something that just keeps coming back to us again and again. It keeps prodding us in a certain direction. It keeps bringing up a certain idea, and whether we act on it or not is still a personal choice. Intuition is a subconscious process that provides insights, often without clear logical explanation. You might recognize intuition through sudden thoughts or feelings, or a sense of certainty that something is right. Sometimes I've said to Stanley, I can't explain it. There's no logic behind it, but I just sense that it's right. This is what we should do. This is where we should go. And that's listening to your intuition. It's a gut feeling. It's your mind, your will, and your emotions leading you in a certain direction, and it's worth investigating. Pay attention to subtle clues, such as heightened awareness. I like to say that peace and joy are also tied into our intuition. It gives an idea where we should go, what we should do, what choices to make. It can also be a feeling of resonance. It just feels right. It just seems to fit. As I've mentioned, trusting your instincts and reflecting on past experiences where intuition has guided you, that can help you recognize when it's speaking to you. Trusting your instincts and reflecting on past experiences where intuition guided you can help you recognize when it's speaking to you.
As we're thinking about intuition, there's a beautiful side to it that people of faith understand. And if you're a person of faith, it's a really good idea to lift up a prayer to the higher power and ask him to guide you. It's not a guarantee, but it's part of a spiritual dynamic that allows us to enter a different realm, as it were, other than just the human. So prayer is an important thing, and also good friends can help us. People you've known for years, and their track record is solid, and they don't rush into decisions, especially husband and wife. They talk it over, and when they come to an agreement together, they follow through with both intuitions. And then what happens in all of this as it comes together, it begins to bring you to a settled peace. You both, in this case, husband and wife, are both worked their way through it, and now they have this lovely peace and are ready to move forward with their intuition. Listen to these words from the good book. I pray that God, the source of hope, will fill you completely with joy and peace because you trust in Him. And then you'll overflow with confident hope through the power of the Holy Spirit. Whether you're a person of faith or not, God bless you.